Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. The Southern Clairvoyant. I am so happy you are here. On this channel, I share Appalachian home remedies, cooking recipes, shopping hauls, and a lot more, y'all, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to be sharing a good old classic hot toddy. This is what they did in the Appalachian Mountains back in the 1800s. So today I'm going to share a good old classic recipe to get rid of inflammation, phlegm, cough, congestion, whatever ails you. So for your ingredients, all you're going to need is, of course, a mug of some kind, some honey, a shot glass for your bourbon, just any kind of bourbon, and of course some hot water. I'm going to go ahead and start boiling some hot water. Okay, so I added 3/4 of a cup of boiling hot water into this. Now I'm going to put 1 shot of whiskey in this. Crack it open here. I'm going to pour it over the sink so I don't spill it. So I'm going to add 1 shot of whiskey and then 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm just going to give this a really good stir. Okay, so I made my hot toddy and it smells pretty good. It doesn't smell bad or anything. I'm just making sure the honey is all melted in there. And it's stirred pretty good. Now, of course, I didn't put any tea in this. This is just a classic hot toddy recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and take a sip and see how it tastes right here on camera. To be honest, I can't really taste the alcohol. Not at all. It's really sweet. The honey and the bourbon that I chose to buy with this, it's really sweet. I really can't advertise. I'm not supposed to advertise. But you can buy any type that you would like. So yeah, just make sure you drink this hot. It's really good. It's not bad. I wonder how many of these I can drink. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And until the next time, I love each and every one of you. Peace.